You've heard it's dangerous to hold in a sneeze, right? But here's a wild twist. Briefly suppressing your urge to sneeze can actually help you live longer. Why? When you resist sneezing, you stimulate your vagus nerve, which boosts vagal tone, a proven way to reduce inflammation and slow aging. Studies show improved vagal tone is linked to better heart health and a longer life. While you shouldn't always suppress sneezes, could this occasional practice be a secret weapon against aging? Would you dare to try it for longevity?